Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first episode of Bank Nifty Mate. I'm thrilled to kickstart this journey into the exciting world of Indian banking stocks with you. Today, we're demystifying Bank Nifty, a term that might sound a bit intimidating, but I promise you, it's not. Bank Nifty is like the heartbeat of the Indian banking sector, and understanding it can be your key to navigating the stock market like a pro. So, why does Bank Nifty matter? Here are some reasons. First, it's a reliable indicator of the Indian economy's health. When Bank Nifty is strong, it often means the economy is doing well. Second, Bank Nifty represents a diverse mix of banks, both public and private, giving you exposure to the entire sector. And finally, for traders, Bank Nifty's volatility can be a playground for profit. It's known for its frequent price swings. Ready to embark on your Bank Nifty journey? Here's how you can start. First, learn the basics. Understand what Bank Nifty is, how it's calculated, and what it represents. Next, dive into the individual stocks that make up Bank Nifty. Know the big players and their performance, and don't forget to keep an eye on news and events that could impact the banking industry. Remember, this channel is all about community and learning together. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you have in the comments section below. Let's build this community together. Well, folks, that wraps up our very first episode on Bank Nifty. We've peeled back the layers and revealed what makes it such an essential player in the Indian stock market. If you found this video helpful and you're excited to continue learning about Bank Nifty and stock market investing, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more exciting content on Bank Nifty Mate. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to explore the world of Indian banking stocks with you.